Hello guys, it's Imran from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you uh, how to how to get a customer signature with the delivery of loaded stocks. So we'll start how to get that by hitting shipping, and we'll go in delivery, and here you will see we have this order over here, which is whose status is loaded, like the order is already loaded and loaded count is 2. We will click this one, and here is the full order for this customer 1, and we'll select this order and we'll click confirm and sign. Here you can confirm by adding the name customer 1, and here he can signature and hit confirm and sign. And here, that's how you can take the confirmation and signature from your client. Thank you.